Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to perform long free kicks. In the beginning, let's go to Training Center and select long free kicks. Firstly, you can aim on the goal line. Next, you can aim for your teammates. As you can see, you can shoot knuckleball or curve the ball left or right. The further you push the indicator, the more curved the ball will be. Next, to shoot the goal, press and hold circle and to pass, press and hold square or X. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.